Solving MBOS login issues, Part 2. Have you forgotten the answer to your challenge question or no longer have access to the email address specified in your My New Jersey account? If so, you need to contact My New Jersey for assistance. To begin, you will need to access the My New Jersey login screen by going to www.nj.gov/treasury/pensions and click the Access My MBOS Account button. From the My New Jersey login screen, click Need Help at the bottom of the page. In the Problems Logging into My New Jersey section, click the Request Help button. From the list, indicate the reason you cannot log into your My New Jersey account. Based on the selection you have made, My New Jersey may ask a series of questions to help you rectify the problem. Let's take a look at one of the scenarios. If you were unable to log into your My New Jersey account because you forgot your login ID or it wasn't accepted, you would select the first option and click Next. The first question the system will ask is if you tried the Forgot Your Login ID link on the My New Jersey login page. If you did not, select No and follow the prompts. You may also want to watch our MBOS Login Issues Part 1 video for assistance. Assuming you tried the link and it was unsuccessful, click Yes. Next, indicate what happened when you tried to retrieve your login ID and follow the prompts. In our scenario, let's indicate the answer to your challenge question was not accepted. On the next screen, provide the answer to your challenge question and click the Continue button to proceed. Because the series of questions and prompts did not rectify the situation, you will need to contact My New Jersey for assistance by completing this electronic form. Let's take a closer look at the information being requested. At the top of the form, provide the My New Jersey login ID you remember. If you can't remember it, you can leave this field blank. In the next field, describe the service or application you are trying to access. In this case, you'd indicate MBOS, which is spelled MBOS. Space is provided if you have additional information you'd like to provide about the problem you are experiencing. Then enter your first and last name. Next, provide your current email address. If you no longer have access to the old email attached to your account, click the green button labeled Add Additional Email Addresses. A field will appear for you to provide your previous email. If you have more than one old email address, you can click the button again for a new previous email field. If you registered your account using a different name, click the button labeled Add Additional Names to list your former name. Provide your previous name starting with the first name, then your previous last name. Review everything you have entered. If the information is correct, click the Submit Your Help Request button. Once submitted, a My New Jersey customer service representative will respond to your request in the order it was received. Response times may vary, so be sure to check the time frame on the confirmation screen. Remember to check your bulk, junk, or spam folders if your response does not appear in your inbox. Within several business days, an OIT support staff member will respond to your inquiry. The email address will vary, but be sure to look for an email ending in @tech.nj.gov. Also, the subject will reference your My New Jersey portal. Please note that My New Jersey may ask you to provide the last 4 digits of your Social Security number to confirm your identity before they can assist you. Remember, this was just an example. The questions you will be asked before completing the electronic form may vary depending on the login issue you are encountering, as well as the response from My New Jersey. Once you have gained access to your My New Jersey account, you may need to update your account information, like your password or the answer to your security question. To do so, click My Account at the top of your My New Jersey homepage. What information do you need to update? Is your email address outdated? Was your password reset? Create a new one that you will be able to remember. Does your challenge question and answer need to be changed? Is it too easy for someone other than you to guess? Or could it be too difficult for you to remember? When finished, click Update to save your changes. You are now able to access your account. Remember to keep your login ID and password safe. If you have additional questions, you may call us at 609-292-7524. Write to us at P.O. Box 295, Trenton, New Jersey 08625-0295, or email us at pensions.nj@trez.nj.gov.